implementation of the Kali Linux in the Microsoft Azure. The installation includes the terminal and the GUI access. Go to the virtual machines. Create the instance for game instance. Yeah. A resource group. The collective storage of the files in individual for the individual systems. We need a resource group for identifying the which system the files belongs, and also for managing the system includes the network, storage, all this stuff, security. Then whatever you think, so I'll host the nearest location. Change the image. Kali Linux. Standard security. Architecture. Yeah. So it's better to use the public password than the generation of private and public keys. And it's better to use the enable of the SSH port 22 as the access port for the terminal. Also use the RDP 3389 for GUI access. We'll enable that in the security policy. Other features, it's not that mandatory. You can check for the networking management, all that, but I left it default configuration. It's in progress. So by default, we'll get the terminal access as we have enabled 22 port number. We need to install the GUI and the enablement of RDP in the system using the prompt. So connection, we need an IP address, public IP address. Yep, we want to access. So we need to install the GUI and we need to enable the RDP port from here. First, we'll update the repository. Before that, we'll enable the RDP. Bound rules, any of the source, any of the port ranges. So service RDP. Yeah. It allows us to connect the system to the port 3389 RDP. We need to install the RDP. Check the these are the configuration files of the Kali Linux. We have created in the group, resource group, assigned it. It's a policy. Yep, time-bound rules, RDPs and out. Let's start the RDP. Yeah. We'll install the GUI. That's done. We'll start these UI in the session. To get the GUI, you get the session, which session to be logged. We connect the RDP session now. The RDP and the Windows. Take the IP from the Kali. You get in the overview tab. You can see the IP address. Paste it. Accept it. And do the login. This is a session which we have the app for GUI access. Others, it may be the only terminal access. So yeah, this is the Linux hosted on the Azure VM with the proper